Taurus, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH at titingnan natin kung ano yung energies na parating sa inyo ngayong full moon in Taurus sa November 16, 2024 at 5:28 a.m. Philippine time. So, if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong promo ngayong November 2024, 25% discount sa mga tarot reading services. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, so let's begin. So for you, Taurus, of course, the full moon is happening in your sign, which is in your first house. And meron din tong conjunction sa Uranus. So, some of you maaring meron kayong major awakening. Major awakening in your life, in yourself. Like, for example, you realize na meron kang kailangang baguhin sa buhay mo, especially sa physical self mo, sa pananaw mo sa buhay. You're going to be taking care of yourself more. So, kumbaga, whatever you want to improve on yourself, bibigyan mo yun ng focus ng attention. Anything na no longer serving your highest good, you will also let it go. Kasi ang full moon is about letting go. This is about endings. So, anything na sa tingin mo ay hindi na unlad sa iyong sarili in so many ways or in some aspects of your life, you are letting that go. Okay? So, meron tong opposition sa 7th house of relationship, which is in Scorpio. Sun is also there. So, I think magkakaroon dito ng enlightenment, no? Kaliwanagan sa situation mo if you are in a relationship with someone. Maaring you will realize na, mukhang itong person na to ay hindi in alignment sa mga future goals mo, no? So, you will somehow realize na, okay, it's time to let go. Tapos na yung mga efforts mo na maayos yung relationship. Pwede rin to kasing sa romantic connection, pwedeng sa friendship, sa family, or any connection or relationship na malapit talaga sa'yo. So, this time, ang pipiliin mo ay ang iyong sarili, ang kapakanan mo. I also see you exploring your other options in life. Mas ka ngayon nangangarap. Oo, mas binibigyan mo ngayon ng focus yung mga isinantabi mong pangarap sa buhay para sa isang relasyon. Let's say, for example, naging very supportive ka sa partner mo. Isinantabi mo yung sarili mong pangarap, sarili mong mga goals. Dahil akala mo yung partner mo will be there for you. And then, eventually, you realize na at parang hindi ka na na-value ng person mo. And you realize na kailangan sarili mo naman. Okay? So, I see you exploring your creativity, your talents, your skill set. You are connecting more with a lot of people. You are coming out of your shell. Okay? It's like a brand new you. And I also see yung iba sa inyo, maaaring may mga pag-aaralan kayo, meron kayong i-improve sa inyong sarili, especially sa knowledge. Okay? Having a trine in Pluto, no? So, Pluto is in Capricorn right now. But in the, bago matapos tong November, lilipat na siya sa Aquarius. So, major changes are going to happen in your life. So, yung iba sa inyo, you will finally decide kung saan kayo magsisettle. Yung iba, kung meron kayong plano noon na mag-abroad, no? Maaring ngayon, ipupursu nyo na, gagawin nyo na. You will just make drastic changes in your life because you think na it's time. And deserve mo naman talaga. Okay? So, very transformative rin to sa inyo. Yung iba naman, yung mga belief system ninyo, meron ka mga nadidiscover sa sarili mo, na na-realize mo, wala palang sense yung dati mong pinaniniwalaan, and ngayon, you are exploring your belief system, your religion, your spirituality. Okay? Let's see what else. For Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Oh, you have the 4 of Wands. So, this is strengthening your foundation. Okay? Some of you pwedeng may paglipat ng bahay or meron kayong celebration sa bahay. It's like accomplishing something eh. So, meron kang goals na ma-accomplish or you're going to be focused more on ano yung gusto mong mangyari para sa buhay mo sa mga susunod na taon. Okay? Ooh! You have the Death card. So, this is transformation. Yung iba natatakot sa Death card, but this is about endings. Okay? Endings na mag-lead sa'yo sa bagong simula. Okay? So, some of you, Taurus, especially Taurus rising, merong ending ng relationship. Oo. Can be a romantic relationship, friendship, sa family. And this will empower you eh. Mas may empower ka nito kasi alam mo na kailangan mo ng manindigan para sa sarili mo. You need to take care of yourself more. Wow! O diba? Accomplishment to. And the world is also about ending a cycle in your life, ending a chapter in your life. So maaring yung chapter na yan ng relationship, partnership, even business partnership is ending, and you realize na there are some other things na pwede mo pa palang i-explore. And yung iba sa inyo parang ano to eh, let's say nasa isang bansa ka, doon ka lumaki, doon ka na nagkaroon ng nag-aral, and then you realize na may iba ka pa palang opportunities sa ibang lugar. So this is what I'm seeing for you. It's time for exploration. Mas meron ka na ngayong lakas ng loob na mag-explore. And Taurus, ang Taurus kasi is a fixed sign. So pagdating sa mga change, ano yan eh, medyo uncomfortable mga Taurus, especially Taurus rising sa mga changes sa buhay nila. But for you, you will have this very strong will na may baguhin sa buhay mo. Yes. Okay, let's see what else. For Taurus, ngayong full moon in Taurus. Oh my God, see, the end of a tough cycle approaches. Tapos na ang mahirap na situation ninyo or mga challenges ninyo. Patapos na. Kasama na yan itong full moon energy na you are letting go, you are releasing the old para ma-embrace mo yung bago. Wow! Take inspired action. So, you are going to take action doon sa mga bagay na hindi mo nabigyan ng attention before, na ngayon, alam mo na dito ka mas magiging successful, dito ka mas excited. So, you will be inspired sa mga goals mo ngayon because of the changes or the new beginnings na ini-embrace mo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much. Good luck.